Welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. Today, I'm going to show you an easy recipe to get rid of old bananas. We all have these in the house and we don't know what to do with them. I'm going to show you an easy banana muffin recipe that literally takes 5 minutes to assemble. So, I'm going to start with sugar, canola oil, eggs, flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, almonds, chocolate chip, chia seed, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, honey, vanilla, and I've got flaxseed. I'm gonna ground them. If you have pre-ground, that's good. I'm gonna ground them because it's absorbed better in that state. I have the bananas. I'm gonna mash them, and I don't want them fine. I want them with little chunks. I'm gonna add them to the batter. And finally, I have sour cream. If you don't have sour cream, use some yogurt. I'm gonna give it a mix. And now it's ready to scoop. And this is going to bake in a preheated oven, 170 degrees Celsius, for 20 to 25 minutes, or until you insert a toothpick and it comes out clean. Enjoy.